Hello, welcome to my lovely viewers on behalf of Shaktipit Digital Website. Shaktipit Digital Website, it's a great website. It's known for its astrological and religious services. My dear friends, today I am amongst you just to tell you, just to give you the best message about Corona, and my message will bring the big smile on your face. I am sure, damn sure, 100% sure. Today, we would discuss about very pandemic point, very horrible point, very scary point. The name of point is Corona. My dear friends, don't afraid of Corona, because what I am going to tell you about Corona just now will make you happy. Your main question, by what time Corona will go away? But my dear viewers, spectators, let me clarify one thing very transparently, that virus and bacteria never go away. They never die. Their existence and entity remains over the world for number of years, for decades and decades, for era and eras. So, we have to bear, we have to tolerate, and we have to stay with this dreadful virus. We have to look after ourselves. Now I am going to give you certain predictions about Corona. By what time it will go away? Listen me. Exactly on 15th September 2020, when all planets will be transiting into their own zodiac, when they will become powerful on 15 September 2020. The moon, the sun, the Mars, the Mercury, the Jupiter, and the Saturn, they all will be moving, they all will be transiting in their own zodiacs. And this certain positive combination of planetary position will bring one good news for the people of globe, for the people of world. This is the first news when Corona will low down. The intensity of Corona will come down. The power, the potentiality will low down. And remember that intensity and power go away, the thing become very powerless, useless, and it doesn't work what he had been working before. Just I give you one very good example of Sachin Tendulkar. What Sachin had square cut, centuries, and reflection during the age of 26. The same thing he can't do nowadays, because he has become old, because he has no reflection. The same way, on 15 September 2020, Corona will become old. So during old age, he won't be able to give you the same impact what he had given you during 26 December 2019 to 15 September 2020. Now second date. The second date is 23rd September 2020. This date is very remarkable date. Why? Because on this day and date, Rahu will change the zodiac. It will enter to Taurus, its friendly zodiac. And this day, we will have the second good news. The intensity and power of Corona will go away. So slowly, gradually, we will be to the positive destination. Exactly on 14 December 2020, we won't have the name, we won't have the effect, we won't have the impact, and we won't have any type of fear, phobia in the name of Corona. Now, moving to the economical and share market point of the world and India. Let me have some clarifications. The economy of India and world will remain in a very sick and poor condition till June 2021 because of some adverse planetary position. The country starting with an alphabet of A, B, C will have to suffer a lot, like A for Australia, America, B for Britain, C for Canada, and there are many countries. Just now I don't remember. Now it's your duty to collect the name of countries which starts with the alphabet of A, B and C. So after June 2021, we people of globe, we people of world will have very good news that we will enter to a very strong financial position. Regarding share market, don't indulge yourself in share market till 14th December 2020 because up to this limit it will remain very volatile. It will have certain horrible ups and downs where you can be a beggar from the status of king. So don't involve and indulge yourself to the share market. So now let us move to second part of this episode. Wait for second part. I am going to tell you many things in second episode. Till that, my salute to you.